What's good, YouTube? It's Marzo, back with some more behind the scenes. The other day I had the opportunity to shoot with a creative artist. His name is Jason. I'm gonna just let him introduce himself.
My name is Jason, I'm a photographer. I'm located in Queens. You can find me on Instagram, BYJSJAB, by Jace Jab. I also do graphics, but we ain't gonna talk about that right now because we're talking about the photography, alright? Holla at me.
So today, Jason's actually shooting a maternity shoot for a mutual friend of ours. The mutual friend of ours called me, wanted to use the Prise Films Studio to take the pictures, so, you know, I'm cool with that. That's no problem.
That actually works.
For those of you who don't know, maternity shoot is for expecting parents. Normally they use these pictures to kind of let everyone know that they're expecting a baby. But what's dope about this is that the parents aren't even your subject. The baby is, the baby hump. This is where you want to target all your pictures. This is where you want to focus, gear all your pictures around the baby hump. Just get creative with just the baby hump, some hands, other props, things like that. So for the lighting on this shoot, Jason went with one light source. In the Prise Film Studio, we have two Flashpoint 620Ms. You can check out everything that we use in the studio on kit.co. Check out that link right there. But yeah, he only used one light source, one of the Flashpoint 620s with a softbox. Kept it overhead, just pointing down at the subjects, and yeah, it was actually pretty simple.
I thought you said you was one of those moms who whatever you gotta do.
Yeah, nah, that's perfect.
Big time perfect.
So that was pretty much it. It was really a quick shoot, probably about an hour and a half tops. Jason really had an idea of what he wanted to do already with the one light, so it went really smooth once you already have a game plan set, that what you want to do and how you want to take the shots. I don't think the pictures are out yet, but if you just follow up with Jason, just, you know, keep following him on social media, check out his website from time to time. The pictures should be up really soon. And if you just want to stay up to date with what he's doing in general, he's always up to a lot of stuff, graphics, pictures, just check him out. And stay tuned. Prise Films got more behind the scenes coming for you this week. Just subscribe and stay tuned, y'all.